The benefits are going to be that the public is going to understand where they're building and how to build in order to make them happier and not have them learn these things on the back end or get into their construction and say, oh, I didn't know I was supposed to do that. We do try to do that in our code office when you pick up your building. When you pick up your building permit. However, there's a lot of things when people are excited about building a home that they just don't want to hear, or they don't hear, or they think about. So they're able to, if we have this information out there on the website, if we have it on social media, if we are able to talk to different groups and have them buy in, just like we've had our group buy in to this project, I think it's going to be great.